Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 11th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla, another really bad day for Tesla. Down $66.04, minus 8.25%, closed at 734. Post-market, we seem to be up by $4. So let's look at this carnage here. How many times should I say it? The stock is in a downward channel. And the stock is doing what it's supposed to do in a downward channel. It's to go down. So we have a big red candle today. We climbed over 805 during the day, but then we were squished right down, and coincidentally not, we are resting on 726.56, a support that we had identified in the past. So we are resting on that support right here, and we are right in line on the support also of the downward channel. So what should be happening now is that the stock should be bouncing back a little bit, going sideways or bouncing back a little bit. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. This is the first candle of the day right here. The first hour was pretty undecided. We have a longer wick at the bottom than at the top. So this is showing some buying pressure a little bit. But then from that point on, we started going down. We stopped at 780.83, but then we just started going down. All the way down, all the way down, all the way down. So all of our indicators are in the tank. Let's go see the VIX to understand the context. The VIX is coming down a little bit. A lot of volatility still during the day, and it pretty much looked on this side. In terms of Dow Jones, we have reached the bottom of our downward channel also, and all of the indicators are in the tank. SPX, S&P 500, we had rested on 39.93 and we broke that during the day. This is pretty bad. Nasdaq Composite stopped right here. Look at the support that we had right here. This is where we stopped for the day right here, but we could still go below right here and also right here. Yeah, dropping like crazy. Everything is dropping like crazy. Nasdaq 100. We also have reached the support of the downward channel. So maybe things are going to pick up a little bit because of that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.